Hello, traders. Welcome back to Rise for Freedom. Hope you had an amazing weekend. So let's see what happened today in the market. Bitcoin, we came inside this range, this channel. So, kind of bad news. If we manage to get a good closure above these levels, I will say this one over here, then we probably keep going upwards. Otherwise, if we keep closing below this level over here, then we probably go straight uh, to new lows and maybe attack this point. Let's see what happens. So these wipes over here are really bad for the market. Whenever this, I wouldn't say black swan, but I mean this flash crash happens, usually the whole market just follows it. Um, yeah, the exception that confirms the rule. But yeah, still, the whole crypto market tonight had a really bad crash. I never follow news, so I actually don't give a fuck about what happens. I know the price just goes up or down. And today we've made really good profit on Pendle, and we kind of no, we had stop on OP. So so I entered around here, then OP in a short position. So we managed to get out. This was the original stop, and this was the stop after the movement from the on the downside. So we managed to lose just yeah, not even 1%. So slow clap for us. Today we are up like 3%. Let me see. Mm-mm-mm-mm. This was on the previous days. Oh yeah, I think Saturday. This was just what happened. Like Panda was long position. We came up a little bit and then we hit the stop loss almost in break even. Avas same thing. I chose Avas just was because it was a little bit more volatile than OP. Today, OP, as I said, we almost lost 1% plus commissions and stuff like that. On Pendle, we hit the target, so remove the 20 cents of commissions, and we got this. So today, profitable day. You know, some people will say, or better, I also will say that this is is not really a profit because it's just €1 difference, but still, I don't care. You know why? Because this difference can be whatever numbers. What I care about is that I had like a 2% uh, difference of win in these two trades. 2% can be €1, 50 cents, can be €100, can be, I don't know, 1,000, 10K, I don't know. For now, I'm trading with €100, and then that's it. So that's what I get. If I ever increase the size or my capital on this account, I just gonna earn more. But still, that's not the point. The point is to be consistent. That's it. So let's take a look on the other pairs. Let's see on the Big Ten. We are coming back to test this, I would say, trend line. Maybe this is a better trend line than the previous one. Um, yeah, and we also got this support zone, which is pretty valid. Came here as support, break below resistance, resistance, and then now it's working as support. Let's see what happens over here. Um, Here also we have this kind of trend line. So if we manage to break this highs over here, then we're gonna have a switch of trend, but I don't think we're gonna have it. Um, just I don't know. It's just a feeling, a sensation. Um, but still, price just goes up and down. We just follow whatever it does and try to take a little profit out of it. So we have these levels over here. If we manage to get below this level, we probably gonna go uh, making new all-time lows. On the other hand, if we manage to break above these highs, yeah, then we probably gonna go up uh, and target this high over here. Dot. Okay. So dot is ranging a little bit. I hope it's going to test this resistance zone once more so we can take a trade to the uh, downside. Near we tested this resistance zone, pretty good, pretty neat uh, retest, and now we are almost, yeah, if we manage to break this level, then we probably go straight to make a new all-time lows. Let's keep take an eye on it. Here we are ranging, so nothing much on Avalanche. Only 2 days ago was a little bit of volatility. Yeah, a bit here and here. Solana, we are entering, we're almost entered this support zone. I think here it's probably pretty good to just buy and maybe retest these levels over here. Let's see. While, yeah, if we manage to break and get a good closure below this level here, I think this was just panic seller, so I don't count this spike over here. If we came back with money, because this is just uh, panic selling. If we came back with real money, I mean, with a good structure and also good closure below this level, then we for sure we're going to make new all-time lows. Let's see what happens. So let's take a look at the signals. Yeah, I really miss trading my signal actually. I didn't took any signal trade in these days, and I kind of miss it. So on 1000 sets, if we manage to get a good closure above this level, I think we're gonna have an acceleration and a good break of yeah, I think we're gonna have something like this. Maybe with a candle closing above the EMA. Let's see what happens. Alice Wonderlands, one of the biggest scam in crypto's history. Let's see. I think if we manage to get above these levels, then we probably gonna the best solution it will be uh, test this level, get a small candle over here, and then buy once we break the highs of the small candle just to get a good um, buying pressure and break the EMA on the upper side. Let's see what yeah, this is what this is what I'm talking about. This is literally what I'm talking about. The problem with this is it happens in just one day, It will be better if he now is gonna rest a little bit and then yeah, and then keep going. Maybe retest this EMA during this week. If we manage to closure the week around the area of the EMA, we can buy, set the stop around this level, which is also not pretty, yeah, 30%. and then we can target at least this one. So it's like 2 to 1, almost, yeah, 2.51 risk reward ratio. Let's see what happens. I think this is ready for for a short, uh, yeah, for a short position. Let's see what happens. Access, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is actually what I was talking about for ARPA. We get a good closure above the EMA. Now we are coming back to retest. If we manage to get a good retest without breaking below, maybe it would be better if it just stop right here, wait the whole week and then keep coming upwards. We'll see if we manage to absorb this candle over here, then yeah, new all-time low. Let's see what happens. This is amazing, man. Look at this. Once we break one of these levels, yeah, if we manage to get a good closure above or below this level, this range, that will be insane. Let's see. Yeah. Only to reach this this high over here, which is not so far, 80%. So let's keep an eye on it. Let's keep it there. This one, Dodo. We had a good level, but we faked it. Let's see this week what if we manage to get closure, we're probably gonna go make a new all-time low. Otherwise, we target this one just to break the EMA. Let's see. Same story here. We are in a channel, so here we have a better situation. If we manage to at least get closure without breaking this level, to maybe have 1 week or 2 weeks below this level without breaking it, then it's gonna make like a really good uh, buying pressure. Just I will say until here. Yeah, 200%, man. It's insane. But this is weekly, you know, this it takes gonna take a long time to play out. This is, I think this is like more investor side. This one also, yeah, if we manage to break this level, maybe have 1 week or 2 weeks below this level, and then it's pretty good to go break that EMA. Here we have pretty good short level. If we manage to this week probably close around this low over here, then next week we probably gonna make a really good new all-time low. Here we are in a range. Here we have this level over here, short level and long level. Let's see. Here we are in a range, nothing special, same as here, same. Let's go a little bit fast over here. Ooh, this one is amazing. This is what I'm talking about. You know, having a level that barely kissed the EMA, have 1 or 2 weeks of closing under this level just to prepare to skyrocket on the upper side. Otherwise, if we absorb this movement and we break and we get a closure below this level, then new all-time low. Nothing special. Oh. We had a fake out, but it's just for today, right? Yeah. I don't like this movement. I totally don't like this movement. It's, I don't know. I don't feel safe trade that type of move. Though this one is a really good one. We have really good levels actually. Yeah. So let's keep going. Ooh. Here we have support and resistance zone. I think, yeah. Here, if we manage to, I don't know, we can also take a trade over here, maybe having the stop loss. Yeah, let's say 30 to have 2 to 1. 1 to 1 is over here, just, I don't know. It's a pretty good zone, I like that. Let's see what happened. Oh, here we are in the middle of the zone. We can buy over here and just let it run. Uh, yeah, stop loss below this level. If we manage to get here with real money, then yeah, it's not good anymore for a long position. Here, maybe just go a little bit further into the zone, maybe like this. Yeah, probably will be better. Here, let's see if this week we close below. I think, I don't know. Yeah, this would be, if we came back around these levels over here, we can place a short position. Let's see. Here we are almost getting out the zone. The best would have been buying over here with a 1 to 1 risk reward ratio. Oh, this is perfect. This is perfect. We can buy over here. 1 to 1 risk reward ratio is 40%, man. It's insane. People, we are far. If this came around these levels over here, probably it's gonna be a good buy. We are far. Yeah. Probably if we manage to get around these levels over here, maybe in the middle of the zone would be the best for a short position. So for the rest, oh yeah, I've made some tests. No, I'm not gonna show you because they're not done. I'm testing my new strategy, which is buy or sell every single day at the same time. Today was 8 o'clock. It was pretty decent day today. I've made like a test on Pendle on this. I wouldn't say bear run, but this is certainly a downtrend. And for now, it's still 50-50. The only difference is that, yeah, the volatility, because here I cannot replace, for example, if I buy, I don't know, over here, is one pendle, which is 5.36, is gonna be totally different result than buying here at 6.33. So this what volatility impact. If there was the chance to switch instead of using one pendle, we could have used maybe 1K as USDT in pendle. That would be much better. Percentage wise, would be much better. But still, it is what it is. The only thing I'm testing is the win rate and how the market react in these conditions. If I if I manage to get a 50% ratio um, within a downtrend, that's insane. That's gonna be insane. And I'm testing like this. So for example, I buy, I place 1 to 1, which is 2%, 2%. Let's get a little bit like, yeah, fuck, man. Yeah, fuck it. Like this, like this. And then whenever it goes in profit, if it does goes in profit, yeah, I just move my position, keeping the yeah, let's do like this, keeping the target as same and just going up and up, and moving my stop loss closer to my entry point. You know, if you have a 1 to 1 risk reward ratio, the moment it just maybe barely kiss uh, your target, when it comes back, it came out at break even, so it's like a risk-free trade. That's why 1 to 1 risk reward is the best. So once I'm gonna have the whole year, because I think this is gonna take a year or something like this. I'm gonna show you all the results, everything that happened. Let's see, from 23 May till August. That's it. That was much longer. Then I'm gonna make more tests from maybe here to here and from here to here. Yeah, these are going to be my two areas where I'm gonna test my strategy. Because now we are almost in the same situation. So if we are profitable in this scenario, then when we have an uptrend, then yeah, things are going to be much better. So for today, that's it. I hope this video was useful somehow to you, and I'll see you in the next one.